Namaste. I welcome you to Bhairavi Parekh's Yogshaala. If you are suffering with stiff shoulders, frozen shoulders, then definitely you must try this exercise with belt or towel. Okay, go slow, do it comfortably, but if you practice regularly, you will definitely see the result. So now make a four-fold of the belt. Now inhale. You raise your both the hands behind your head. Let it go behind as much as you are able to go. And exhale, you come back. Inhale and exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Continue to breathe and keep stretching. 6. Exhale. 7. Take a pause. Exhale. 8. Down. 9. Down. 10. Exhale. You can just do the repetitions also, 10 by 2. Now the second exercise, you continue with the same. And now you take your right elbow behind. I'm doing the mirror image. Okay? Right elbow behind your head. Bring this belt in front of your shoulder and now push with your right hand and pull with your left hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Do not drop your head. Keep your head lifted up as much as you can. Again, now take your left hand behind your head, hold it with your right hand and pull it down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 and come back. The next exercise is inhale and as you exhale, take your left hand behind like this and change other side. You pull it down. Again, this is all working on the stiffness of the shoulders. Continue to breathe. And the other side. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 and slowly come back. Now the next exercise, I'll just show you from behind. Raise your both the hands up. Now take your right hand down, then the other hand down. The shoulders are rotating completely and bring it up. So I show you slow, down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up, down, down, up and up. Now let us repeat on the other side. Down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up. So you may continue like this at least for 10 times each of the sides. And the last exercise, now the distance that you will keep is strictly depending upon your stiffness or the flexibility of the shoulders. So first you need to figure it out. For example, if I keep it too wide, then right now probably nothing is working on my shoulders because there is no strain. This is too comfortable, okay? So now I'm shortening the distance. But if it is too narrow, then it becomes difficult to take the hands behind, okay? So you figure it out and you try to take your both hands down completely and you bring them back. So you need to figure it out, your exact distance. In short, the work should happen on your shoulders. It's a wonderful exercise. Keep breathing. As you inhale, you drop your hands behind. As you exhale, you come back. Inhale, bring them down and in front. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and you exhale. Relax. And now just move your shoulders. Try to relax. Extend your right hand in front. Turn your head to the side. Change. This is just to relax the work that you have done on the shoulder joint. Practice this regularly and you will see the difference. Enjoy the practice. Thank you.